Consolidating data in Microsoft Excel means combining data from multiple worksheets or workbooks into a single worksheet. By consolidating data, you can summarize or aggregate information from different places into one organized table. Let's say you have 4 salespersons by the name Tom, Dick, Harry, and Larry. Each of them involved in selling different types of vehicles where their sales are recorded in Excel worksheet on a monthly basis in the same workbook. End of each quarter, you need to combine their individual sales record to aggregate and summarize to see and visualize what is the total quarterly sales made by each salesperson for each types of vehicle. You can easily do this by using Consolidate feature of Microsoft Excel. To consolidate data in Excel, you must make sure each data range that you want to consolidate has the same layout across all worksheets, with matching headers and columns for accurate aggregation. Each column must have label or header in the first row of the range and contain similar data. There must be no blank rows or columns anywhere in the list. Once you have ensured the consistency, choose the cell where you want the consolidated data to appear. It could be different workbook or different worksheet in the same workbook. I have used the same workbook but a different worksheet for this tutorial. You can name the worksheet as Consolidated Data or anything that is meaningful to you. Once you have selected a cell in the new worksheet, click the Data tab, and from the Data Tools group, click the Consolidate icon. The Consolidate dialog box will appear. Select a function based on how you want to summarize or aggregate your data. I'm selecting the sum function as I want to sum up the sales data for each individual salesperson based on the type of vehicle they have sold in the last 3 months. Next, in the reference box, click the Collapse button to shrink the panel and select the data range from January worksheet. Click Add button to add the reference for the January month sales data into the All Reference area. Repeat the process to add the February and the March sales data. Click the Create Links to Source Data checkbox if you want Excel to update your consolidation table automatically when the source data is changed. You can also check the top row and the left column if you wish to have same row and column headers for your consolidated data table. You are almost done. Click the OK button to complete the process. You can now check your data as you have selected the Create Links to Source Data checkbox. Making change your source data will be reflected in the consolidated data. You can now create a bar chart based on the consolidated data to visualize your quarterly sales. Select the data range in a consolidated worksheet. From the Insert menu, click Insert Column or Bar Chart. And from the 2D column group, select Clustered Column Chart. The chart will be inserted as follows. You can now edit the chart to make it more presentable. You may add data label by selecting Data Labels from Chart Elements list. You can also try changing source data in your source worksheet to see how changing of data update the chart. I hope you are able to follow up with my tutorial. If you have liked the tutorial, please like, comment, and share the tutorial among your friends. I appreciate if you have subscribed the channel. Thank you very much, and see you again soon with a new tutorial. Till then, goodbye.